Welcome to Tathagat. Ever dreamt of getting a head start on your management career? Do you want to skip the traditional route and dive straight into the exciting world of business? Well then, you have come to the right place. Whether you are a high school senior or just curious about alternative management pathways, this is your one-stop shop. In this video, we'll break down what IPMAT is, what it tests, and the incredible opportunities it offers. But before that, let's understand what is IPM or Integrated Program Management. IPM is a 5-year program that aims to replicate the MBA experience. But along with that, it offers much more. It combines 3-year undergraduate program with 2-year MBA program, providing a seamless pathway to a postgraduate management degree. Now, what is IPMAT? The IPMAT program is a gateway to the prestigious 5-year integration program in management, offered by top-notch institutions like IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, IIM Ranchi, and other elite business schools. It is a unique opportunity for the young students who have just completed their class 12th or will be taking class 12th exams in 2025. By clearing IPMAT exam, you can earn both a BBA and an MBA degree from some of the best B schools in the country like IIM Indore without the need for additional entrance exams like CAT. Eligibility criteria. According to IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak, for journal category, you need a minimum of 60% in your class 10th and class 12th examinations. Additionally, the maximum age limit is 20 years. Exam pattern. The IPMAT involves a 3-step process: an aptitude test, a written ability test, and a personal interview. Let's focus on the aptitude test. It comprises of multiple choice questions and short answer type questions. It is divided into 2 broad sections: the quantitative ability and the verbal ability. The quantitative ability section has 2 subsections: MCQs and short answer type questions, each lasting for 40 minutes. The verbal ability section lasts for 40 minutes as well. The total duration of the exam is 2 hours for 100 questions. Correct answers earn 4 marks, while the incorrect answers in the MCQ section leads to a deduction of 1 mark. However, there is no negative marking for the short answer questions. The maximum marks attainable are 400. Competitiveness. Nearly 20,000 students apply for 650 seats. Subjects and syllabus. The syllabus for the IPMAT conducted by IIM Indore largely overlaps with the syllabus of the IPMAT conducted by IIM Rohtak. For the quantitative ability section, common topics include number systems, averages and percentages, roots and indices, surds, simple and compound interest, profit and loss, algebraic formulae, linear and quadratic equations, ratio and proportion, partnership, mixtures and allegations, time, speed and distance, work-related problems, pipes and cisterns, geometry, permutations and combinations, probability, determinants, vectors, integration and differentiation. The verbal ability section, common to both IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak, covers etymology and roots, idioms and phrases, analogies, antonyms, synonyms, foreign words, noun and pronoun errors, subject-verb agreement, prepositions and conjunctions, tenses, modifiers and parallelism, reading comprehension, inference-based passages, syllogisms, and logical consistency deductive reasoning. For IPMAT Rohtak, there is an additional logical reasoning section that includes inferences, judgments, logical sequence series, coding arrangements, cubes and dices, blood relations, input and output, Venn diagrams, binary logic, syllogism statements and conclusions, statements and assumptions, probably true or false, strong and weak arguments, course of action, assertions and reasons, and critical reasoning. Timeline. IPMAT is conducted once a year and the scores are valid for that particular year. Therefore, it is crucial to schedule your IPMAT preparation accordingly, ensuring that you have enough time to achieve your desired score in that particular year. Preparation. IPMAT heavily emphasizes quantitative ability, but verbal ability is also very important. Many students opt for coaching institutes that provide topic-by-topic learning, mock tests, and past year papers for practice. The preparation usually involves 3 phases: concept building, practice, and revision. The duration of preparation varies, with some students preparing for over a year, while others practice for 2 to 5 months, depending on their individual needs. Jobs and salaries. IPM students often secure excellent placements with salaries and roles comparable to traditional MBA graduates. इस IPMAT for you. Unlike a traditional MBA, the 5-year integrated program trains you and equips you with concepts you would encounter in a 2-year MBA program. Unlike the traditional route, where you pursue a different undergraduate degree before adapting to the MBA curriculum, the IPMAT program prepares you in advance for the core MBA concepts. Many students share that being part of an IPM program adds credibility to their profile from a young age. Also, the entry barrier and competition for IPMAT are much lower than for CAT. The program offers ample time to learn, adapt, adopt, and grow personally during the MBA journey. The placements are undoubtedly excellent, making it a great choice for those who have completed or are about to complete their 12th and are certain about pursuing a career in management from the very beginning. The IPMAT is a fantastic way to pursue a management career for those who are decisive, focused, and know it is what they want from the start. Happy learning!